Shantinagar branch. Today I am going to teach you clipboard option in MS Word. The same clipboard option is present in Excel and PowerPoint also. So clipboard is the place where the information is copied. The copied information will be stored. Clipboard is the place where the copied information will be stored. Suppose if I copy the information and paste it, so this information which has been copied will be present in the clipboard. So once we copy another information, then if we paste it, then another information will be coming. So this information, galleries information, has been deleted and design has been kept. So each and every time if you copy the new text, the old text will be deleted from the clipboard memory. So if you need to copy the multiple items, then we have to on the option called as clipboard. So click here to on the clipboard. So first clear all, select the text, copy. So the data has been copied here, and select another text, copy. It has been copied. Select one more text, copy. It has been copied. So here it is showing that 3 of 24. It's nothing but we can copy up to 24 items. At presently there are only 3 items have been copied. For one time we can select the one word or one letter or one line or complete paragraph, or the whole page we can select it to copy the product. Suppose if I select the complete paragraph and click on copy, and the complete paragraph is copied and it is counted as 1, nothing but 4. So we can copy up to 24 items. So I can paste it. Click on this, it will be pasted. Click on this, it will be pasted. So if I click on paste all the products which have been copied in the clipboard, everything will be pasted. So to copy one or more multiple items, we need to use the clipboard. So this is how to using the clipboard. Thank you for watching.